Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use the HubSpot sales pipeline step by step, designed especially for beginners in 2026. Let's begin. The sales pipeline in HubSpot CRM helps you visualize and manage your sales process from the first lead to closing the deal. Each stage in the pipeline represents a step in your sales journey. To access the sales pipeline, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, click on Sales, then select Deals. Here, you'll see your pipeline with all active deals displayed by stage. Each column in the pipeline is called a deal stage. Common stages include new lead, qualified lead, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. You can customize these stages to match your business process. To add a deal to the pipeline, click Create Deal. Enter the deal name, amount, deal stage, close date, and assign a deal owner. Once created, the deal will appear in the appropriate stage. As your sales process moves forward, update the deal stage. You can simply drag and drop the deal into the next stage or update it from inside the deal record. Keeping stages updated is very important for accurate tracking and forecasting. Each deal can be associated with contacts and companies. This allows you to see all related information, including emails, calls, meetings, and notes in one place. Inside the deal record, log all sales activities. Track emails, calls, meetings, and notes, so you always know the current status of each deal. You can also create tasks within deals to manage follow-ups. Set due dates and reminders to ensure no opportunity is missed. To analyze your pipeline performance, go to Reports, Dashboards. Here you can see deal progress, revenue by stage, and sales forecasts. These insights help you identify bottlenecks and improve your sales strategy. In summary, the HubSpot sales pipeline helps you stay organized, track every opportunity, and close deals more efficiently. When used correctly, it gives you full visibility into your sales process and helps drive growth in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.